Hello. For this exercise, we are going to be working on toe taps. And ideally with exercises 4, maybe you are someone who is really sensitive in the knees. Maybe you're trying to run. This is really, really good for runners because anytime that we do any form of heel strike, we're putting a lot of pressure on our knees. So if we ideally can't do this for multiple minutes at a time, then we're probably not fully ready to run a mile without having knee pain or discomfort. So what I really want you to focus on is your form. This is not about speed. This is strictly about form and getting your body to feel it exactly where it wants to, okay? So we're going to stand nice and tall, nice and straight, square hips. We're going to put one toe out in front of the other, and you're just gonna focus on bending down, tapping that toe, and coming up. We want the knee that's bending down and coming up to stay as straight as possible. Instead of having that knee, go out to the side or falling in the midline, we really want to avoid that because that's most likely happening when you're running or when you're walking, which is why you have the knee pain. And we have to fix that because it's putting pressure on a joint where it really shouldn't have pressure, okay? So we're gonna go back. We're gonna go and do a nice little bend at the knee, nice straight knee, tapping down and coming up. And then we're gonna switch sides. We're gonna do the exact same thing on the opposite side. You're gonna come down, you're gonna tap, and you're gonna come right back up, okay? As you're doing this, I want you to also kind of keep in mind what your feet and ankles are looking like, okay? So ideally that foot is not completely collapsing. It's really staying nice and straight and you're holding that arch. We don't want the toes lifting up either. We want the toes really sticking strong to the ground, but we don't want you crunching your toes too much to be able to stay there. Maybe that's how you start out until you learn how to completely stabilize, and that's okay. But we do want the goal to be where your foot is just nice and flat and all toes on the ground naturally. Please let me know if you have any questions at all with this exercise.